Hi friends, I am Lalit Vasist. In this video, I will show you how you can recover the password of your email ID by using recovery email ID or mobile number. So without wasting time, let's get into it. To recover the password of your Gmail ID, first of all, open Gmail and enter the email ID of which you want to recover the password. So I am entering the email ID here. I will recover its password. So click on next. It is asking me to enter the password since I want to recover the password as I don't know the password. So I will click on forgot password. Here are different ways that I can use to recover the password of my email ID. You can see here the first two ways are using the email ID. The first email ID is the same ID and I want to recover its password, so I cannot use it. And second is get a verification code at this email ID that I have already registered for a recovery purpose. I have already added it, so I can either use this email ID. I know its password, I can access it. I can also use this mobile number to get the verification code having 86 in the end. So first of all, I will show you the first method of getting verification code using the email ID. So I am clicking on this option. So it is saying that an email with a verification code was just sent to this email ID. So I will see the code on my email ID. Let's log into this email account. Here is the Google verification code. So I will just copy it. I have received it on the email ID and I will enter it here at the place where it is asking me to enter the code. So I will paste it here. Okay, and just click on next. I can also use different other methods by clicking on try another way, but first I am using this method of receiving a code at my email ID. Now it has given me access to create a new password. Now I can set a new password. So let's enter a new password. You need to re-enter the password, newly created password, to confirm it. You should at least use 8 characters, and it is advisable to have a mix of alphabets, upper letters and lowercase letters with special characters and numbers. Now click on save password and click on continue to Gmail. It is loading the Gmail. You can see here this email ID, we have recovered its password. So in this way you can use one of your recovery emails to recover your password of any email ID. Now I will show you another way that you can use to recover your email ID password. This time we will use our registered mobile number to recover our password. So to recover email ID password using a mobile number, first of all enter that email ID here. Now click on next. It is asking me to enter the password as we don't know the password, so click on forgot password. Here you can see we have used the first method of getting verification code at our email ID, but now we are going to test another method of getting verification code at the mobile number ending with 86. Okay, so click on this method to recover the password. It has sent me a 6-digit verification code at my mobile number, so I am going to enter it. This is the verification code. Click on next, and now I can create a new password. So let's create any password of my choice. It should have at least 8 characters. Now you need to re-enter the password to confirm it. Click on save password. Now click on continue to Gmail. You can see this time we have used our registered mobile number for recovering our email ID password. Previously we used another email ID, and this time the mobile number. We have recovered it. So friends, these were the two ways that we used to recover our email ID password. So guys, I hope you liked the video and found the video interesting and useful. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Engineering Made Easy. And if you liked the video, please click on the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.